Extremely volatile last 1 hour. The Nifty ends down 90 points. That's 0.4% on the benchmark indices. From the day's high, we've lost close to about 200 points, and that fall came through between 2:30 and 3. And from 3 to 3:30, market stabilized with this cut. All over the place for the midcap index, but the final tick is in the red, down close to about 100 points. Banks took it on the chin. The Nifty banking index down close to about 200 points, 0.5% gone on that. And financials like Bajaj Finserv under pressure. You had deep cuts coming through when State Bank of India posted its numbers. Even insurance companies like HDFC Life took a deepish gash, but the biggest one was UPL, finally down 11% plus.
Okay, just to quickly point out some moves on the mid-cap side of the screen, extreme moves really coming in. Paytm is ending down another 10% circuit. The circuit, remember, shifted from 20 to 10. Bank of India has been pummeled and literally sort of brutally hammered today because of the fact that margins have come under pressure. So 9% gone from that stock. Delivery has turned a profit, but anyway, the stock was sold off, 3.5% down there as well. And then I talk about the gainers, and here what else but PSUs to count. So IOC, 7.5% up, HPCL, 4.5% higher. If I look at some more names, look at LIC. I mean, LIC is up 5.5% today. Some of the PSU banks like IOB, IDBI Bank, despite all the market volatility, these stocks are up between 7, 8, 9, 10%. SAIL, IRDA, Punjab and Sindh Bank, New India Assurance up 10%. So anything that has a PSU on it is still finding quite a few takers. That's sort of the sum and substance of the mid-cap action. But otherwise, a fairly shaky day even for the mid-cap space, you'd have to say. I should just point out Saturn credit care. When we're talking about financial earnings, Saturn's numbers really stood out, and the stock was up 6%.
I mean, so a little bit of a down and out kind of a day. And I think a neat 200 points basically off the day's highest level is where we kind of leave off. Supports, by the way, for the Nifty come in at 747. This is what we put out in the morning as well, which is, the 61.8% of the recent fall that we had. The low was just under it. The low today is 21. Just quickly take a look at this. I think we ended at 21,759, which is higher, but the low is 21,726. So there was a 20-odd point breach, but then we finally closed above it. So that's the picture as we wrap up the first day of this new week. Well, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. But markets forward will pick up on all the action in just a bit.